welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola, welcome back. So I went ahead, prepped my nails with a base coat. My tips are all set. My cuticles are all set. Y'all, I wanted to just appreciate how much I love Christmas by doing a winter wonderland themed nail set. So I just grabbed all the blues, all the whites, and the glitters that I had. And I'm just freestyling this whole look because, y'all, I just love this season. I know that it looks a lot different this year compared to other years for most of y'all, but I know that there's plenty of things to be grateful for, and I'm just so happy that, you know, we get to be with some family and just spend time together, so safely, of course. So I am starting off with Gershion White. I love Gershion White. Oh my gosh, the last glitter kit that I used from them, I was so impressed. Go check out my last video on that. But I use the Gershion White to do kind of like a ombre, and I'm using Saviland Jelly Glitter Blue, if I'm not mistaken. Glitter blue to do that ombre, and it's so pretty. This blue with the like iridescent glitter kind of reminds me of like Frozen, of Elsa and Annie. Don't tell me how I know that. I have lots of nieces, so I am just doing that as an ombre. So I am just carefully blending that out and making sure that you can't see where the white begins, because this one is a lighter blue. So I did do 2 coats of it. Now I ended up messing it up the first time because I only cured it. I flash cured it. I didn't cure it for like a full 60 seconds, so that's why that happened. But I am just going in again and doing like the second like coat because I didn't want it to look like there's blue and white. You know, I wanted it to be like a nice smooth transition. So I ended up doing that. And then once I was finished, I cured that for 60 seconds. So the next color I'm going to be working with is glitter blue, and I love this glitter blue. Like, Saviland is great when it comes to glitters. You know, their glitters are not like, you know, clear. They're very, very pigmented, and I honestly just appreciate their glitters. Now, I did remember that this specific glitter from a kit that I had bought previously, it was very sticky, so you just gotta use like what works for you. Some people like to use like that base coat method. I just went in with like the Burano Slip solution and it just worked fine. So it really just depends on what you prefer and what works for you. But I went ahead and did that, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. I went ahead and did an ombre for this finger too, because I wanted it to be kind of like, you know, asymmetrical type thing, where my index and my pinky matched but the rest of the fingers didn't, and that's okay. Like, I really wanted just to have fun with this and do something different. I know that I've been talking about doing something with this color for a while and I just haven't had the chance to do it, but it's the perfect season for it. So This finger in particular, I am going in with white, the pure white from Gershion, and then with my thumb finger, I'm going in with the silver glitter that I have from the Gershion glitter kit as well. So I'll let y'all enjoy the application and I'll come back. Alright y'all, so after I clear capped everything, I went ahead and cleaned my nails and buff shaped and filed in with my Melody Susie file and my Tammy Taylor file, which is 100 grit, and I am obsessed with it. If you want me to link it down below, let me know. But then I ended up cleaning on my nails again because, you know, you want to have a clean surface for when you put your gems. So look how pretty they look matte. I love. So I ended up going in with a thick base coat, and you can use gem glue or gem adhesive, whatever you have. I just was like, didn't want to pull out my gem glue, so I just used a thick top coat. And then you could flash cure this in your UV light, or if you have like a flashlight that's UV for nails, you can do that too. Now I went fancy with this because I finally invested in things that, you know, I needed on a daily basis that I just couldn't get around to actually getting. So I finally did that, and I went ahead and just like flash cured that for 10 seconds and it stopped sliding around. The big stone stopped sliding around, so that was useful. But then I went ahead with some rhinestones from Krowned Krystals. I'll link her down below. And then I went in with some just like Amazon gems as well, and some caviar beads, and I really just played around with it. I had fun, and I tried to go with the flow of, you know, the look entirety. So I ended up doing that, and I think it came out so pretty. So I'll let y'all enjoy that, and I'll come back. I cured that for 60 seconds. I went ahead and put some cuticle oil on, and that is it, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed this video watching. I know I love personally watching like long nail videos, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate. Stay safe and, you know, be with the people that you love. All right, so thank y'all again for watching. If you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. And y'all, of course, I'll see you en la próxima.